Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. In today's tutorial I will show you how to do this stitch. This is stitch number 22. I did this tutorial in Spanish and now I've been asked by many subscribers to do the English version. It's very easy to do. It consists of 2 rows. There's a V-stitch row and then a fan row of 5 double crochets. It's reversible. This is what it looks like from the back. So let me show you how it's done. So the first thing that we need is a 5mm crochet hook. I'm using a regular medium size number 4 yarn. You can use any type of yarn as long as you use the appropriate hook size for the type of yarn that you're using. Okay, so to begin, the stitch multiple for the stitch is 4 plus 3. I have 19 chains here. And the first thing that we're going to do is on the 5th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet into the same space, and chain 1. Then we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, we're going to do the same thing. A double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Okay, our foundation row, or this first row, consists of making these V-stitches separated by 1 chain. The next thing is 1 chain, and skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, another V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, 1 more V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. And then here at the end, this is how you're going to end, with 1 double crochet at the end. Okay, so your sequence basically for this first row is going to consist of making V-stitches and then a chain 1. Okay, continue like this all the way to the end of your chain, and once you get to the end, you just end with a double crochet, just like I did. Okay, so now for the second row, I'm going to chain 1, and immediately into this first double crochet that we have here, I'm going to make a single crochet on top of it, just like this. And then now into the chain 1 spaces of these V-stitches, I'm going to make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, and then into this chain 1 space that separates each one of these V-stitches, I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, and then again into the V inside the chain 1 space, I'm going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, and then into the chain 1 space that's between these 2 V-stitches, I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, and then again into the chain 1 that's inside the V-stitch, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Okay, and then one last fan stitch of 5 double crochets inside the chain 1 that's inside the V-stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then here we have these chains that we left. Right inside, we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, and that's how we're going to complete the second row. Okay, now for the third row, we're going to chain 4, we're going to turn, and now we have 5 double crochets. On top of the third, which is the one that's in the middle, we're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, okay, chain 1, and then we're going to jump into the next fan. Again, the third double crochet that's in the middle, we're going to make one more V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. Then again into the next fan, the double crochet in the middle, the third one more V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and into the last one, the third double crochet, one more V stitch on top. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. Okay, and then here we're going to end with a double crochet on top of this single crochet. Okay, just like this. And there's your third row. Okay, now for the fourth row, we're going to just repeat the fans again. Okay, and to do that, we're going to make one chain, turn, and into this first double crochet that's here, we're going to make a single crochet. Now we're going to make a fan inside the chain 1 that's inside this V stitch. Okay, just like this, we're going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we're going to go down into this chain 1 that's between the V stitches, 1 single crochet. Okay, and then again 5 double crochets inside the chain 1 that's inside the V stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets, 1 single crochet in this chain 1 space, and then again one more fan inside the chain 1 space of this V stitch. So 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again a single crochet into the chain 1 space, and 5 double crochets into the chain 1 space that's inside this V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to finish this row, 1 single crochet here inside these 4 chains, just like this. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and now for the 5th row, we're going to repeat the V stitches. So I'm just going to show you really quick how to do it. So we're going to chain 4, turn, and we have 5 double crochets. On the third double crochet, which is the one in the middle, we're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and then again skip to the next fan, and we're going to make one more V stitch on top of the third double crochet. Okay, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. Okay, so you're just going to continue repeating these 2 rows, the fan stitch row and the V stitch row, until you have the size that you need. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.